I ended up getting the what you call the action van. Just got back from Larry's, took this out on a test drive, and everything is as it should be now. Got the Bilsteins, got these big old coils. Got the steering stabilizer, Bilstein. New upper lower ball joints, new sway bar bushings, new tie rod ends too. So everything under here is brand spanking new. We also got the add a leaf in the back there because these leaves needed a little more for the weight that we're pulling around.
Yeah. Dude, the thing weighs fucking like 10,000 pounds.
And he also kept the sumo springs in there. So that's good. And now we need to do a good washing and get ready to get dirty in the desert again. But the ride, 100% better. No more cowbell under here. All the clanking noises are gone. So while Larry was under here taking everything apart, he let me know of all the things that were wrong or worn out. And there was a lot of things that needed replacing. So he went ahead and took care of all of that. And his original price quote went up because of all the little other things. But still cheaper than just Weltec's install without any of the other issues that we found here. I knew there would be something. This thing is 20 years old. Overall, I'm very, very satisfied with the lift. And of course, next is wheels and tires, because this gap is huge. But I'd rather have the big gap than the no gap. I swear. I can only fit my hand in here like this, and now I can fit 1, 2, 3 fists. We are officially 10 feet now, probably 10 feet 5 inches with the fan. So there's no way we're fitting in that anymore. No way. We couldn't fit in that without the lift. So now we're sitting high and it feels a lot more stable. The steering is a lot more stiff. It just feels solid. And this is another investment that, like up here, I feel like was much needed. And a little bit more than I anticipated, just because of the extra things that were found. So Larry made sure that everything was up to spec before we left, and we drove around the hills here in California, and this thing rides nice now. It's nice and comfortable. Larry made my van ride comfortable again. Thank you, Larry. So that's the update. Yeah, we definitely need some new shoes on here. Big gap, but I'm fine with it for right now. As long as we're taking care of all of that droopy sagginess and rubbing, we good. All right, guys. So finally did it. So what's next on the list, guys? Leave in the comments what we're gonna do.